What's good, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Bearded Tortilla YouTube channel. I am obviously your host, the Bearded Tortilla, and today we are starting another new project. This time it's not on the truck. It is actually going to be a woodworking project. We've got our material right there. We've got our plans up in our head. Let's get the workbench out and into the work position, and we're gonna get into what we're making today. So to start our project of making the console table or sofa table, whichever one you want to call it, we've already gone ahead and picked out our wood. I did a red oak. That is a 1x6 wide long board. That is going to be our top piece. We have two 2x4s that are going to be kind of the upper and lower structure. And then we also have the same red oak in a 1x4. Already cut down to length. We cut these at 28.5 for our height. So we've already gone ahead and cut our red oak top board to the 104, which is our desired length to fit our couch. And we've cut our 2x4s to the 102 to match up to be the inside structure for our sofa table. So we're going to go ahead and start cutting our 45s for the braces, and then we're going to move on to using the Kreg jig, which I got off of Amazon not too long ago. I've used one of these before, and if you've been following my channel for any amount of time, you saw us use a Kreg jig when we built the workbench table as well as the entire shelving assembly. So we know our way around one of these. So we're gonna go ahead and get the Kreg jig out of its box. This one is mine. I always had to borrow the one from my pops, so now we have our own in the shop at all times. We're gonna get this sofa table assembled and we'll go from there. So we got our frame all set up and ready to go. Like I said, it was going to be a pretty simple, just 2x4 top and bottom. We got some little gusset corner pieces to add some strength, and then we have our red oak on the outside. That'll look beautiful with some stain. We're going to double check our measurements, make sure it's at the right height, and then I'm going to figure out which piece of the red oak 1x6 is going to be our top piece, and we're going to get that fixed. And then once that is on, we are going to measure and cut the recess in it for the plug to go in the center of this thing. Been a few days now, and we've gotten the stain all put onto our console table. So we went with red chestnut for a good red base to match some of the other furniture in our living room. However, it wasn't darkening up enough, so we did end up also doing, I think, a total of 3 or 4 coats of dark walnut, and that is finally what gave us our final product here. It looks a little lighter in the camera, but outside of the camera it's actually a pretty good match. So I'm going to install the plug now, which we just have to do 2 small pilot holes for the included screws, and we'll get it installed and put in the house. On another project, guys. Thanks for tuning into this video. Please give this video a like or thumbs up. Please share it, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram at The Bearded Tortilla, and we will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.